Hey everybody. So what I'm going to do here in this quick video is to give a really short breakdown as to how a proper Chicago style citation should look like. For reference for this video, what I'm going to be using is one of my old history papers that I wrote years ago back in undergrad, but we had to use Chicago style citation for this as well. So I feel like it's a great way to kind of help bridge that gap and show what it should be like. And so I'll go ahead and start off by, if you look like here, throughout this page, you'll see little numbers right there. All that is instead of seeing like the standard parentheses where you list the author and then the page number, like what you'd see out of a traditional MLA or APA style citation, in Chicago, instead, what you see are these little numbers. And all that does is it traces down here to the bottom of your page where it'll link up to a respective number where, for example, this came from a book written by a freedman called Kennedy's Wars on page 136. Then we've also got, for example, all the way back up here, this section came from another book called Ships in the Night. And I'll go ahead and clarify this was all written on the Cuban Missile Crisis, hence all of the references to the late President John F. Kennedy. But in essence, this is all Chicago style citations are, is where you're going to be adding a short abbreviation here at the end, and then you're going to be writing it down here along with that. Now, there is a method in within Microsoft Word or Google Docs that will both help you create those. They're very easy to do, and it shouldn't take long for you to figure those out.